Did you know that men are being weakened on purpose and most don't even know it? Don't fool yourself. They want you weak so that they can control you. You may be asking, who wants men weak? The answer is simple. The Matrix wants you weak, or more specifically, those in power, including the government and women. This nation is strong because of the strong men of the past. How can we defend this nation against enemies if men are weak or feminine? If you're like me, you can already see how morally deteriorated and weaker we have become as a nation. And I'm convinced that it is the result of men becoming more feminine and weak, allowing things to take place in this country that shouldn't. Brothers, it's time to man up because we are losing this battle to the Matrix when we should be winning. And the truth is, a lot of men are losing, not because they can't win, but because they've never been taught how to operate as a man. So the real question is, are you going to drift through life like most men, or are you going to take control? If you're about discipline, strength, and becoming the best version of yourself, hit that subscribe button and join the Man Up channel. Now real quick, a disclaimer. This video isn't about putting anyone down or pretending life is easy. It's about facing reality head on. What I'm sharing is meant to challenge you, not discourage you, because the truth, when applied, can change your life. With that said, let's get into it. Let's start with the first hard truth. No one is coming to save you. In today's world, a lot of men are waiting for the right opportunity, waiting for motivation, waiting for someone to guide them. But here's reality. No one is coming. No one is going to fix your life for you. No one is going to build your discipline. No one is going to create your future. And once you accept that, everything changes. Because now, the responsibility is yours. And responsibility is where real growth begins. And that leads to the next truth. Comfort is making men weak. We live in the most comfortable time in history. Most men don't have to struggle to survive. Most men don't have to face real physical hardship. And while that sounds like a good thing, it comes with a cost. Because comfort kills drive. It makes us soft, it makes us complacent, it makes us avoid anything difficult. And over time, that lack of challenge turns into weakness. Strong men aren't built in comfort, they're built in resistance. And if you don't create challenges in your life, you will slowly become someone you don't respect. Now here's where most men get stuck. They live on motivation. Motivation feels good, it's exciting, it's temporary, but it's also unreliable. Some days you feel like pushing yourself, most days you don't. And if your life is built on motivation, your results will always be inconsistent. That's why disciplined men don't rely on it. They rely on standards. They do what needs to be done, regardless of how they feel. And that's what separates men who grow from men who stay the same. And this is the part no one wants to hear. You're distracted. Look around. Endless scrolling, constant entertainment, short-term pleasure everywhere. Your attention is under attack, and most men are losing that battle. They spend hours consuming, but no time building. They chase dopamine, but avoid discipline. And over time, they wake up stuck because they traded long-term growth for short-term comfort. Real quick, if this is hitting home, go ahead and hit that like button, because this is the kind of truth most people avoid, but every man needs to hear. Now let's talk about purpose, or the lack of it. One of the biggest problems men face today is this. They don't have direction. They don't know what they're building. They don't know what they stand for. They don't know where they're going. So they drift. They move through life reacting instead of leading. And without purpose, discipline feels pointless. But when a man has direction, everything changes. He becomes focused. He becomes intentional. He starts making decisions that move his life forward. Purpose gives discipline a reason. And here's the truth about accountability. It's on you. It's real easy to blame circumstances, your environment, your past, or even other people. But at some point, you just have to take ownership. Because honestly, accountability is power. The moment you say, "This is on me," well, that's when you take control. And once you've got control, you can actually change your situation. That's what separates men who improve from men who stay stuck. So what does this all mean for you? It means you have a choice. You can follow the path most men are on, comfortable, distracted, undisciplined. Or you can take the harder path, build discipline, create structure, develop mental toughness. Because in a world where most men are average, discipline makes you dangerous. At the end of the day, the hard truth about being a man in 2026 is this: the world isn't going to make you strong. You have to do that yourself. No one is coming to save you. Comfort will weaken you if you let it. Discipline is the only way forward, and the sooner you accept that, the sooner your life starts to change. So the question is, what are you going to do next? If this video hit home, hit that like button and subscribe to the Man Up channel. And go ahead and click on one of the videos you see on your screen right now, because the next lesson that can help you take control of your life is waiting for you there.